Hello guys, in this tutorials I'll be teaching you how to make a custom numbers like this. It's changed by the variable. So in this tutorials you can create this by yourself and you can add it to your game. Let's start. Okay, so let's start scripting. So this is not a part of scripting, so you don't need to care about that. I just want to test when I finish some scripting. So let's start. So first the costume you need 0 to 9 costume. So maybe you're gonna take a little bit long. I'm sorry. So I just don't want to waste your time. So that's why I do that. Right? I think that I just do that because I just don't want to waste your time because the long video make you bored, right? Because you will skip the video. So watch the video all the way to the end. Then then when end of the video, don't forget to subscribe, and you need to press subscribe until the subscribe button is turned to gray, and the label turn to text label of that red button turn to subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so so you don't miss some live stream, because I live on YouTube too, but you don't see because I didn't live it yet. I have OBS, okay. Let's start. Yeah, wasting a lot of time. Let's go fast. Event set clone 1, repeat 30 times, change clone by 1, create clone myself. Then hide. Let's just take hide outside. Then let's do this. Okay, so when start as a clone, because we have created clone, then show. Then you need to, you need to put forever. So it's repeat forever. Okay, then go to X. Go to X. We're gonna do some math. Yay! We're gonna do some math, right? So we're gonna do a little bit operators. Time 25. 100. Okay, then we're gonna go. Sometime I just see some tutorials. Uh, there you don't see like numbers when you set to the high quality. You don't see the numbers. So let's do this. Then if if something more than clone, so we're gonna insert on this box uh letter clone of number. We have some height. So this fish costume. So we're gonna do letter of letter clone of number. So let's start doing this. So set number 0. We have only one issue. Then when it's have like a 0. Okay, let me just see this. Okay, when I turn it to 0, if the number contains 0, it just actually hide the 0. So you may don't like it. It's a problem now. So we gotta just change this, and we use length round number. Okay, let's see it. Okay, so now it's a real value now. So then the 0, they didn't I mean, the script didn't delete a zero out of the clone. So this is enough for this tutorials now. If you want more tutorials, just go and subscribe the channel, and then just like the video. And if you want your friend to have to be a real scratcher, just share to your friend. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.